3 years ago, buying something on Amazon looked very different. Let's say you were shopping for a standing desk. You had opened 5 to 6 different listings, compare the images, read through the bullet points, scroll down to the A+ content, and maybe even leave Amazon to watch YouTube review. Back then, buying a product meant doing your own research. But today, that process is quietly starting to disappear. Instead of digging through every listing, many shoppers simply ask Amazon, is this desk good for someone who is 6 feet tall? Can it hold 2 monitors? How does it compare to FlexiSpot? A few seconds later, they already have an answer. Now, here is the interesting part. That answer has to come from somewhere. Amazon's AI isn't magically making things up, right? It's trying to understand your product using the information available inside Amazon. And that got us thinking. If customers are starting to shop differently, should sellers still be building A+ content the same way they did 3 years ago? Because if the buying journey has changed, then maybe the job of A+ content has changed too. Before AI, most shoppers followed a pretty predictable path. First they search, then click, then read listings, compare to the other products, and then buy. If they had a question, they had to find the answer themselves. Today, that's no longer always true. With tools like Alexa for shopping, shoppers can ask complete question in plain English. Instead of typing office chair, they ask what's the best office chair for sitting 8 hours a day. The experience feels less like searching and more like having a conversation. And that's a much bigger shift than most sellers realize. Because once customers stop manual hunting for information, your product page has to make that information much easier to understand. Not just prettier, easier. So, where does Amazon get its answer? This is where things get really interesting. When Amazon's AI answers customers' question, it has to rely on product information that already exists inside Amazon's ecosystem. Things like your product title, bullet points, technical specifications, customer reviews, question and answer, and other catalog information. That's exactly why product information is becoming more important than ever. Because AI can only explain what your listing actually explains. If your listing is vague, the answers become vague. If your listing skips important buying questions, those gaps don't magically disappear. Someone still has to answer them. Now to be clear, Amazon hasn't said that Alexa for shopping simply reads every word of your A+ content and turn it into answers. But what Amazon has made very clear is this: its AI is designed to help customers understand products faster using information from Amazon's shopping experience. And that changes how we should think about product pages. But the problem with most A+ content, let's be honest, most A+ content looks beautiful. Huge lifestyle banners, fancy icons, marketing slogans everywhere, like premium quality, ultimate performance, designed for excellence. It looks expensive, but if we being honest, it often doesn't answer the questions buyers actually have. And that's the problem. Imagine you are buying a laptop. You are not wondering whether it's premium. You are wondering, can this edit 4K videos? Can I run Photoshop and Premiere at the same time? How loud are the fans? How long does the battery actually last? Those are the buying questions. Yet, many A+ pages spend hundreds of pixels telling a story without answering the questions that actually decide the sale. That's the biggest mistake we keep seeing. Sellers confuse branding with decision making, but they are not the same thing. Branding builds trust, answers remove hesitations, and you need both. What we started noticing while reviewing high-performance Amazon listing, one pattern keeps showing up. The best A+ content wasn't trying to impress people. It was trying to make buying easier. Instead of saying high-quality materials, they showed exactly what materials were used. Instead of saying professional performance, they explained which workload the product could actually handle. Instead of saying perfect for everyone, they clearly showed who the product was built for. That's a huge difference because every unanswered question creates uncertainty, and uncertainty kills conversions. At Ecom Clips, we have started looking at A+ content a little differently. Instead of asking how do we make this page look better, we ask what questions are stopping someone from clicking buy now. That one question changes the entire design process. Every module should have a purpose. One module builds trust, another answers compatibility questions, another compares product variations, another explains use cases, another removes common objections. Instead of creating a digital brochure, you are building a decision guide. The goal isn't to fill space. The goal is to reduce doubt. Because every question you answer before checkout is one less reason for the customer to leave your listing. So here is a simple test. Open your own Amazon listing. Now pretend you have never seen your product before. Ask yourself 5 questions. Who is this actually for? Why should I choose it over the alternatives? What's the biggest reason someone returns this product? Will this solve my specific problem? And what proof do I have that your claims are true? Now scroll through your A+ content. Did it answer those questions? Or did it just look nice? Because those are two different things. We don't think A+ is becoming less important. We actually think it's becoming more important. Not because AI replaced shoppers, but because AI is changing how shoppers discover and understand products. The brands that win over the next few years won't necessarily have the prettiest product pages. They will have the clearest one. The one that answers questions before customers even ask them. So the next time you redesign your A+ content, don't start with Photoshop. Start with your customer's biggest question. Because in the age of AI shopping, the brands that communicate with clarity will always outperform the brands that simply look good. Hey guys, that's the end, and I think you got the message. If you want your A+ content should do the same, mail us at info@ecomclips.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, a peace.